Senator Henkel. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Senator Moreau. We are marking Mental Health Week. However, according to a recent report from the other place, one veteran takes their own life every 9 days in Canada, with suicide rates up to 157% higher in certain cohorts than in the general population. The Parliamentary Committee has criticized the current strategy, describing it as a tick box list with no measurable targets or rigorous monitoring of results. How does the government assess the effectiveness of the current approach? In the light of concerns expressed by experts, and does it plan to move towards a strategy based on clear public and measurable indicators? Senator Moreau. Thank you for the question. Senator Henkel. The government launched a national conversation on mental health. That's not just around the mental health of people in the armed forces, but a mental health conversation for boys and men. Between now and June 4th and June 1st, to create a national strategy on this topic. So I would like to take advantage of your question to say that in this national strategy, we want to be able to take into account the special situation of boys and men. And we also take advantage of that to take account of those who were in the military. Senator Henkel, thank you. Yes, it's important because it's one veteran every 9 days. As the honorary lieutenant colonel of the Régiment de Maisonneuve, I would like to point out that the data does not include suicide among reservists, who are nevertheless essential to the armed forces. Does the government intend to address this shortcoming in order to obtain an accurate picture and adapt its prevention and support policies to all our soldiers? Thank you. The national conversation that I referred to earlier, when it comes to that strategy, the conversation started because we have seen that since 2012, there has been a lot of serious mental health issues amongst boys and men. The government and the Minister of Health are involved to ensure that they can have reliable data to create a national strategy that would answer these questions. And as I've already said, I highlight that it's important to take into account the military aspect of this. The time allocated for